Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox privacy settings for private servers. So why you might be blocked, of course, Roblox restricts private servers access based on your account's age settings and privacy set. So if your account is set under 13 or privacy is restricted, you will see not authorized to join message. So as an example, of course, I'll show you both in the website and the app. So an example, once you open your Roblox, you can go to settings. You can go and click at the top right corner. As you can see, you'll find a gear icon. Go and click on that, then click on settings. This will take you here. And here, you will have to go and click on the privacy option. As you can see on this left panel, you should find here privacy and content restriction. Once you go and click on that, you should find yourself here. So what you'll have to look for is simply this visibility and private servers. Once you go and click on that, as you can see, you'll find here private servers. So in here, as an example, you can just go and change the privacy settings depending on whatever you want. Do you want, just an example, friends to join you on a private server, or friends and people you follow, friends and followers and people you follow, or everyone, or no one? Totally up to you. So choose the one that suits your needs, maybe example no one, or whatever you want, and it will be saved successfully and it should be good to go. The same will be for the application. You can click on more. And here, as an example, you can go and click on settings, again, privacy and content restrictions, and you'll have to do the same. You'll have basically to go to private servers, and here you'll be able to choose it. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.